Today we are looking at a car phone holder. This mounts to your car air vent, and if your phone or case are MagSafe compatible, as soon as you take your phone close to the holder, the magnet will latch onto your phone. I have already reviewed a MagSafe tripod from this company. It's a useful piece of kit. I will leave a link in the description box below and in the iCard if you want to watch that. I will leave a link in the description box below for this if you want to pick this up. Before we start, if you find the video useful, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to watch more reviews. I think it's pronounced OMOTON, I'm not 100% sure. That's the model number there for it. MagSafe car phone holder. A little information booklet here. 2 clear stickers. Some wipes if you're going to mount the rings on your case. Yes, I did say rings even though we have one here. I actually mounted one on my nephew's phone case. He's not here at the moment, so he's taken his phone and the case, but I'll put an image up now. You'll be able to see both the rings. That's a guide. When you put the ring onto your case, you can use this guide if you want. So this is the part that will go to your air vent. So you could see it's lifted up at the moment. When you twist it, it goes down. So it goes into the car vent. It does extend quite a bit, this.
Oh, my ears.
And then when you turn it that way, it lifts up, so it will latch on to the back of your air vent. This ring here, if this is in your way, you could remove this. You just twist it and it comes off. That's the ball joint there. That's the actual mount itself. It's got some branding there. Maybe that was not a good idea, that, but ball joint will go in there and twist this. You'll be able to move this to different angles. That there. I have now put my case on, which is MagSafe compatible. That's a built-in stand there as well. A really cool case, this. See, that's on securely. So when you're driving, if you are going over bumps and stuff, your phone will not fall. And you could twist your phone around into the other way as well. Let's go put it in the car. That's a nice secure fit there. So if I were to use my sat nav, I could leave the phone like this. If I wanted the phone to face me while I'm driving, just move it from there. It's a solid piece of kit, this. And at the moment, because of Black Friday, it's on offer. So if you want to pick it up, I will link it in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.